Hello traders! In this video I would like to address the importance of proper trade placement. We are monitoring this critical moment on S&P. We are quite aware that price is extremely high. We are quite aware it is extremely aggressive trading. Buy stop orders only 27.82, not a tick sooner. Market orders and day trading never ever an option. If price will not touch this level, there is no trade. This moment is crucial. This moment reminding you, market orders are gambling trades. Successful trading requires ultimate execution. Successful trading requires ultimate precision. Price been stuck here for the last 5 minutes. Intelligent trader absolutely not surprised. Intelligent trader understands the importance of proper trade placement, especially when price extremely high. So price never touches this level, trader will cancel a trade, especially when market this overextended. There are certain instruments you can trade with market orders. S&P is not one of them. Ultimate precision is critical. One tick, 27.82 will make a world of difference. To the downside, this is absolutely critical level. As again we have trade to the upside, and this is a trade to the downside. This is your crucial trading range, where every single tick will make a world of difference. Ultimate precision is the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. One tick makes a world of difference. So an intelligent trader understands what institutional bias is. When intelligent trader understands the danger of buying this high, and that institutional bias is firmly bullish, intelligent trader plays this long with extreme caution. Market in panic, market jittery. We have extremely conflicting signals. There is no surprise. When market in a conflict, your precision is critical. So why would the trader choose long versus short? Simple. Institutional bias is bullish. So if you understand what institutional bias is, you refuse to touch the shorts. You understand the power of institutional bias even when market is high. And that's the key. That's crucial. So let me remind you what this chart looked like before price reached ultimate low on March 23rd. As we are absolutely aware, price extremely high. Critical moment to the upside. For one reason only, institutional bias is long. That's how trader makes a decision to ride institutional power or not to trade. It's black and white, nothing in between. So while we continue babysitting this trade, and while we continue monitoring crucial moment in front of you, let's review what played out on S&P in the last few weeks, shall we? So here's S&P on March 12, 13, 15, 17, 18. multiple post-hold events giving you spectacular bullish rallies between 80 to 150 points plus. Intelligent trader perfectly aware. Intelligent trader not surprised where buyers coming from. Agree? It is black and white. Never short near alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. It doesn't matter what the news is. On the news market in free fall, on the chart price is rallying. Intelligent trader understands only pressure to sell from is critical resistance, not from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Black and white. It's bullish trend inception. So when market continue rallying from this ultimate bottom, from this ultimate support, no one is surprised. Time and time again. On the news market in free fall, on the chart, price is rallying. It's been happening non-stop the entire month of March. Market makers love the news. Who is making the news? How is news calculated? How is it possible on the chart price is rallying, on the news market in free fall? It's been happening non-stop. That's the power of alpha Fibonacci system. Trade the price, not the noise. Market picking up the steam. Time and time again on both S&P and Dow. And that's the power of the system. And that's what's been happening from ultimate bottom. Do you remember that? 2300 and 23 level on S&P? Do you remember that? Critical support on Dow? Crucial to understand where critical support, critical reversal zones are, independent of the news noise. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. What works is pure price and alpha Fibonacci method. As you're witnessing how traders trade every single day. All in advance, never after the fact. So, we knew that if price does not touch this level, there is no long. We knew that to the downside this will be war zone. Correct? Look at that. Price respecting alpha Fibonacci support. This is the end of the minor trend. That's showing you how shorts getting killed in this market. Where is the price now? Heading to crucial bullish point of entry. And that's what intelligent trader does. Trades with institutions, not against them. And that's the reason alpha Fibonacci traders showing such a phenomenal performance every single day. Well before trading room open, David keeps killing it on gold, on S&P, on Dow, on oil. Well before trading room open, and when the scanner lights up the alerts, anyone surprised? Should not be. Market way overextended. Market in a lot of pain. David down well before trading room open. Brett supporting David. Jennifer and I. Oh my God. And that's the key. Yes, crescendo. Brad, amazing work. What is 5.25 points on 10 lots on S&P? Do the math. $2,000 to $3,000 plus, correct? And if you take a look on incredible work of Carlton, second morning with us, practicing on sim. Jay killing it in Hong Kong, week number 3. Emmanuel, incredible work. No one needs hand holding. Marco killing it in the middle of crisis in Italy. And when price reaches crucial bullish point of entry that's coming from alpha Fibonacci support, no one is surprised. Intelligent trader always writes institutional train, even at overextended rally. That's where market is now. This was the bottom traders, famous March 23rd. This is a very difficult market. Bullish rally right now, way overextended, from 2180 all the way to 2800. This was flawless. This was stunning. On the news, market was crushing. On the chart, this was the start of institutional rally. So when the price is rallying this high, intelligent trader very well prepared. Intelligent trader never ever shorts against institutional bias. And when Marco is done, well before trading day and moving to sim, what does it show you? Ultimate discipline. That's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's community of incredible traders. This is very challenging, very difficult morning traders. Market way overextended. Strategic intelligent traders, not panicking. No one needs hand holding. Not 11 o'clock at night in Hong Kong. Not in Florida. Not in Middle East. Not in Canada. Not in New York. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. But if you trade with institutions, you're always riding the power, riding the volume, riding institutional train, not staying on the train wrecks. Never, ever, ever. Price struggling to break through the end of the minor trend, correct? Anyone surprised? Of course not. Pointer been placed here. Rally way overextended. Market in a lot of pain. We expected this. Price is extremely high. Let me show you why. This is institutional rally in the middle of 2019. This institutional rally is scrolling and finally reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader knows this is not the place to buy the market. This is a place to exit your long-term investments. Why? Because price crashes from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone high 80 conservatively % of the time. So when S&P starts crashing, no one is surprised because that's what S&P have done in 2008. That's what S&P have done in 2018. Every single trade is exactly the same. That's the reason I named proprietary levels Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Crisis of 2008 taught me a lot of lessons. I'm forever grateful for 2008. It prepared me extremely well for quarantine, reminding me that trial is a test. So when 2020 price starts crashing, no one is surprised. It's expected. S&P in free fall. Intelligent trader knows to the downside what levels are expected. And when price reaches alpha Fibonacci 2200 level, critical support, there is no surprise where buyers coming from. All in advance, never after the fact. So 2200 was ultimate bottom. Take a look at the news and see what the headlines were. The headlines were that the end of the world is coming. Oops. Alpha Fibonacci trader doesn't listen to noise. Alpha Fibonacci trader knows the power of institutional support, looking to buy the bottom, never ever ever to short into. Ultimate place to buy from. This morning we are not at 2200, are we? Let me remind you where we are now and what institutional chart look like. Here is weekly now. My goodness, what a stunning, stunning rally. 650 points plus. That's what it looked like weeks and weeks before, to remind you. That's the power of the system. If day trading is not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term investment decisions. Buying at 2200 was a brilliant thing to do. Right now we are nowhere near this level. Right now we are extremely high. Bullish rally overextended. Price in a lot of pain. Intelligent traders know and understand that. 650 points later. This is very dangerous market. We are nowhere near institutional support now. That makes a world of difference. Crawl is on, chop is on, pain is on, as expected. So in front of you the end of the minor trend on S&P. This was exact same level on S&P in 2016, before Trump won the election. Night of the election, stunning bullish points of entry. S&P is heading higher, as expected. Taking S&P 7 months to break through this level. It's in front of you right now. Intelligent trader not surprised that it's an obstacle. Intelligent trader expecting this as a major pause. This level is next. That's the power of the system. All in front of you every single day on every single trade. This is where intelligent trader takes a profit off the table. Moving the stop well outside of break even. We stayed through brutal pain. We discussed with students only bullish trades, only with institutions. Next target here. And if I walk you down memory lane on Apple, exact same thing played out. Apple comes out with the worst earnings when Apple at 93. Worst earnings. This was S&P this morning. We knew extremely well intelligent trader would never touch any shorts. Apple comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years. I present at hedge fund convention. I say you have to be out of your mind to short Apple near alpha Fibonacci support. Apple doubles in value 2 years later, heading to the next level. Heading to the next level. And when Apple crashes from reversal zone and reaches the bottom at 140, no one is surprised. That's the power of proprietary strategy I developed in 2008. Learning. Trials are tests. It's black and white. It's all the same. If you can trade pure price, you can trade it all. So if S&P will start selling off from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, there is no surprise. All precise. Intelligent trader adjusts the trail very, very closely. Intelligent trader protecting the profits. You do not need many trades. What you need is precise sniper-like trading. Simple, black and white. Ultimate precision, ultimate power of alpha Fibonacci system and alpha Fibonacci traders who proven time and time again throughout this crisis and every single day. Fear is a mind killer. You create your own reality. Every single day we came to the markets, what did we say? Shut off the noise. Shut off the panic. Shut off the negativity. Focus on price and remember, trials are only tests. So if Jay can do it 3 weeks after the start in Hong Kong, Carlin can do it second morning with us. Marco can do it well before we log in, achieving his goal and moving to sim with 8 points on S&P with incredible discipline. Emmanuel can do it in Canada with 10 points on micro S&P. David killing it every single morning. Brett, phenomenal work. This is a community. This is the power of incredible traders all over the world. None of them are surprised when market crashes from reversal zone, as it does time and time again, on daily, weekly, hourly, on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Scanner giving us shorts. You decide what you want to trade. This is ultimate precision. This is ultimate power on every single instrument, on every single day. So if you like to listen to David, to Emmanuel, to other traders, to Brad, to Pablo, please listen to the podcast. Please listen to Students' Journey who are making this world a better place. Podcast will be updated constantly. I just spoke with Emmanuel for the first time ever. Brad is a legend. You saw David's performance. and Brett's performance in the room. Pablo, complete beginner trader, trading with dubstep. Sam put his daughters through Harvard after losing everything in war in Syria. Trading method on options. You decide what you want to trade. And if you would like to see more, you can watch the videos and stories of alpha Fibonacci traders all over the world. If they can do it, so can you. Take advantage of very few spots that's left with the biggest discount ever. Lifetime license of software with 3 months group classes or 6 months private mentoring. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to call or email me. I always look forward speaking with you because I love what I do.